Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw from MEXC to bank account. In order to do it, first of all, launch your MEXC mobile application, then tap on the Wallets tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Over here, tap on the Fiat option and then select the option of Buy Crypto. Now once you tap on Buy Crypto, you will be landed on this page where by default you will be on Buy, but right next to it you will see the Sell option, so you need to tap on Sell. And over here, with the help of this method, you can sell your USDT and your BTC. If you tap over here, you can sell USDT and your BTC and you can receive the money in fiat currency. So based on your country, you can select that, and after that, in the payment method, you need to set up your payment method. It can be your bank account, so you need to simply do that and tap on the Sell USDT option in the bottom. This way you will be able to get your money from MEXC to your bank account. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.